Hi friends, welcome to Santrapti Kitchen, an authentic Indian cooking channel. Today we are showing how to make an easy recipe of badam milk powder. Very healthy and tasty badam milk powder. Before that, if somebody have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel where you can get all the reminders and notification for our future videos. Yeah, let's come. We will see how we have prepared this badam milk powder. Here we have taken 250 grams of almonds, half a cup of milk powder and quarter cup of cashew nuts, half grams of saffron, 8 ilaichi and lavanga. Most of the all ingredients which is available at home, and especially we have taken here 200 grams of red stone sugar which has got lot of medicinal value. Together we have taken a bit of turmeric. First let us fry all these almonds for 4 to 5 minutes and take all these cashew nuts. Again fry the cashew nut also, where cashew nut has got a little bit of moisture content. It has to be fried for at least for 3 to 4 minutes. Separate both the things and mix together. Now you take the remaining ilaichi and lavanga. These things need not to be fried, but at least you have to heat for 1 or 2 minutes because it has to be crushed and it has to be powdered. And mix these things also. Now let's start the mixing process. First I will take all this red stone sugar and take it in a mixer. Add the milk powder which I have taken. To the milk powder we should add this saffron. Saffron is very important. And add the remaining turmeric powder which I have taken, and heated ilaichi and lavanga. Powder it. It's a nice powder now. Now you have to add fried almonds and cashew nuts and powder it. See, a nice badam powder is ready, which is now ready to cook. Wow, I am getting a nice smell. Okay, now I will show you the preparation of badam milk. Separate all the powder, and 1 spoon is enough for a 1 glass this badam powder. If you want, you can take some more also. Add the hot milk or boiled milk, then only this badam milk powder aroma will leave. Wow, a nice aroma which I am getting. Very tasty and very healthy also. You can use this badam milk instead of tea and coffee also, and also a healthy drink for kids. Thank you for watching our videos. Please enjoy our video. We want your support throughout our YouTube journey. Thank you.